Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your iPhone model and iOS versions support external storage, because Lightning and USB-C behave differently. Next, insert the SD card into an Apple SD card reader or a USB-C reader and plug it into your iPhone, then unlock the device so the Files and Photos apps can detect the accessory. Once connected, watch for the import prompt or open files manually to browse the card. This is the first actionable step to access files. Once the reader appears, import media via Photos by tapping Import and selecting Items. That handles camera images and videos efficiently. If you need to manage documents, open Files, tap Browse, then Locations, and select the SD card to copy, move, or open files. This works for PDFs, zip, and non-image types. For RAW photos, high-bit video, or XFAT cards, use Files or a third-party app that supports those formats, because Photos may not show every file type or very large file sizes. To finish, ensure all transfers complete, close Files or Photos, then unplug the reader. That prevents corruption. If the card isn't recognized, reinsert it, try a different adapter or port, and test the card on a computer to isolate the problem. If the card is corrupted or uses an incompatible format, back up any recoverable data and reformat to XFAT or FAT32 as appropriate. This resolves most compatibility issues and gets your Apple SD card reader working again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.